respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Ragini Chaube, today's anchor. English is the international connect language. Speaking in English gives us more confidence. Today is very special day for us as every year on this day we celebrate English Day in our school. So today in this special assembly, first of all I would like to call Rishabh Pathak for thought of the day.
I am Rishabh from Standard 10th A, standing before you to deliver the thought of the day. And it goes like, English language is the dress of thoughts, so clothe your ideas with beautiful words. I repeat, English language is the dress of thoughts, so clothe your ideas with beautiful words. Thank you and have a nice day.
My dear friends, and today I am present over here to speak on the topic, the importance of English as international connecting language. Language is one of the greatest tools humanity possesses. It helps us express ideas, share knowledge, and build meaningful connections. Among the many languages spoken across the world, English has become the most powerful global link that connects people across nations and cultures. As someone wisely said, a shared language does not erase differences. It makes understanding them possible. English serves exactly this purpose. It helps in communicating, collaborating, and solving problems together effectively for all the peoples around the world. In education, English opens the door to knowledge. Many books and online resources are available in English, helping students to learn beyond boundaries. English also supports career growth opportunities. Strong communication skills can create job opportunities and build confidence too. However, while learning English, we must not forget our mother tongue. It reflects our culture and identity. English is not a replacement, it is a bridge to the world. Let me conclude with a beautiful thought. English is not just a language, it is a window through which we see the world and a door through which the world sees us. In conclusion, English connects peoples, ideas, and opportunities. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much Vishnu for such a wonderful speech. Next I will like to call Miss Anvi Kumari for today's recitation.
Good morning everyone. I am Anvi from Standard 10th, standing before you to recite a poem. Where the Mind is Without Fear by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into dreary desert or sand of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thoughts and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Wonderful Anvi, thank you so much. After this, I will call Miss Sudiksha Singh for some amazing facts.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to one and all present over here, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I'm Sudiksha Singh, standing in front of you with some fascinating and amazing facts about English. Around 1.5 billion people all over the world can speak English on an average. The word set has one of the highest number of meaning in English, which is about 400 depending on the context of it. Around 67 countries all over the world have English as their official language. The word pneumono-ultramicroscopic silica volcanoconiosis is the longest word in English, and rhythm is the longest word in English without any vowels in it. Thank you.
That was really informative, Sudiksha. Thank you so much. Now I will call Miss Arya for another recitation.
Good morning everyone, I am Arya Pandey from Standard 7th and today I am here to deliver a poem. The Flower School by Rabindranath Tagore. When a storm cloud rumble in the sky and June showers come down, the moist east wind marching over the heath to blow its bagpipes among the bamboos. Then crowds of flowers come out from sudden and nobody knows where and dance upon the grass in wild glee. Mother, I really think the flowers go to school underground. They do their lesson door shut, and if they want to come out to play before it is time, their master make them stand in a corner. When rain comes, they have their holidays. Branches clash together in the forest and leaves rustle wild with. Thank you.
Wow, that's great, Arya. Thank you so much. Finally, I will request Sutapa Bose ma'am for her observation. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Ragini. Good morning to one and all present over here. My dear colleagues, my dear students. Today is a special day, undoubtedly, because today we celebrate English Day, connect language of the world. Obviously, we feel obvious advantages while speaking in English. You feel more confident, people listen to you more attentively, and of course, that gives you a lot of positivity. English is the language of the heart. English is the language of thought. And English is lifestyle itself. So try to speak in English as much as possible. Try to read books in English and make your life different and positive and successful. Remember, English is not only a language, English is a lifestyle. Thank you.